Hi friends, remember when Jacob taught you how to build a catapult? Today we're going to use that catapult and play some fun games. So let's get started. Today I'm going to make a basketball hoop. So the materials we need for the basketball hoop is a marker, a ruler, a cardboard paper, cup, and some tape. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a big square on our cardboard paper. Take some tape, roll it up, and tape the cup to our cardboard paper right underneath the square. There we have it, folks, our basketball hoop. Let's test it out. Hope you had fun with this activity. If you want to create some more fun games and activities, come see us at the Children's Museum of Houston at the Maker Annex downstairs. See you later. Bye.